I think it's just fortuitous that the first cars that I see at Tokyo Auto Salon are these beautiful old school classics. Oh, freaking fantastic. Look at that. It's even got the lifted steering wheel for easy access. And oh my god, look at this engine. Oh, beautiful, beautiful GTR. Yeah, not interested. Look at this. This is old school at its finest. Absolutely gorgeous. This is definitely a resto mod. As you can see, that is definitely not the original steering wheel. But it's a cool combination of new and old. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Sorry, gorgeous. Rubbish. No, I mean, originally that's a very nice car, but not like that. So I'm not even gonna bother. Look at this. God, this is brilliant. And you can tell by these that the bonnet comes up this way. Beautiful. So since these are getting more and more popular back home, here's for all you MPV fans. I pretty much guarantee this thing is running air suspension. There is no way you could drive this low. Then again, maybe I could be wrong. Because that looks like it couldn't go over a painted white line. Amazing. Something very interesting here. Have you noticed that? There's actually a 3D effect going on in the paint. I don't know if you can see that or not. I don't know whether it registers on the video, but there's a 3D kind of effect on the bonnet paint. Very, very, very cool. And it's even in the paintwork here. Can you see that? It's like a 3D effect. Very, very nice. And it stretches all the way through the car, to the back. See if we can see it any better from the front. Interesting. Some seriously precious metal here, folks. So your next Japan holiday, you gotta time it sometime in January to coincide with the TAS. Even Lexus has not been spared the bling. Look at that. Anybody want to guess how big those wheels are? 20? 21? They are 315 cross-section tires. Let's see if we can get the tire size on the other side. If you guess 22s, 23s, you're wrong. Okay, 22. So if you guess 22, you're right. 265/30 series tires. And look at the size of the rotors. Those are bigger than my rims back home. I'm very, very sure about that. And here's that 3D paint again. It's quite amazing actually. Very cool. So this is another alloy rims manufacturer, Verz Wheels. And I know some of you spied this earlier on, but here you go. American muscle right here. And these are Rohan wheels. And okay, there we go. This is the painting, not anything else. That's what it says on the window. That's just paint. Quite amazing. If you've never seen an SRT up close, here you go. And I kid you not, it is absolutely huge. And here's its blue sibling. So it's Edge Customs, and it's custom paint and bodywork.